yes. I'm doing quite an awesome video. I have 3 iron bars. I don't know if I did that when I was recording or not, but I have 3 iron bars. Yes, 3 apples. That's nice. What's the difficulty? I have to make sure my difficulty is up. Yes, it's up. Oh my gosh, 3 apples. It's like all the food I have, but it's good. It's good. New skin. That's right. Just come out and show you. New skin. I got the face. Epic face. It's more epic than epic face. For sure. Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing, so I don't know what this video is gonna be called. How about I go mining? Yeah. I'll go mining. So this episode will just be called, dungeon, I guess, if I find one. But I built a walkway. Let me grab a pickaxe. It's almost one down, so 3 key and okay, I do not want to home. I want to go mining. Yeah, I know how to be careful when I mine. So as you can see, I've built a new room. And I'm gonna go mine. Okay, never stand on the block that you mine. That's something I know. So I know a safe way to mine when you go straight down. I hope I strike something good. Okay, my first episode 3. New skin. I guess that's something to promote it. Well, wait, no, this is my second episode 3. Yes, finally some coal. Yes, coal. Finally, I needed it. Yes, a big patch. Need coal. I needed it to torch up my house for some googly spawned in it. Yeah, I do watch Stampede Long Notes or whatever you want to call it. Hey, XP. Yeah, I got a level. Okay, let's get all this coal. I'll skip to when I have all the coal finished. So, yeah, all right. Okay, so I'm back. Actually, I'll just mine a staircase. It's kind of a pain in the butt to mine it's not as hard to mine the staircase. Yes, iron. Oh, a lot of it too. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of iron. This is a lot of iron. I want to save it all. So I'll skip until I have the iron mined. Okay, I am back. That didn't take too long, did it? Alright. Just digging down, digging the staircase. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, I'll just mine until my pick lays down. This is going to be kind of a short video, like my Sky Wars video. It's just going to be into my pick layers, and I hope I don't turn around like see a creeper or something. That'd be scary. Oh, my pick just broke. No. Okay. Alright, that's not a dungeon at Cobblestone. I promise it is not a dungeon. Okay, I am pickaxeless, so I guess that kind of killed me. Okay, it kind of I got what I needed out of it. Got some iron, and now we're back at. Now I have a parakeet on my head. I have a parakeet on my head. I swear, I really have my pet. My brother just put my parakeet on my head. Oh, and he just took him off. Oh, please don't poop on me. Okay. Well, he just put. So he just put a parakeet on my head. So now that we have some coal, I shall craft. Oops. Some torches. Yes, I'm aware of shift click. I'll use my mouse. Pew and pew. I don't want any mobs flying. So yeah, that was it. And oh, anything out there yet? Okay, I don't want to waste my time. Okay. Yeah, that should. So bye.